The Samsung Galaxy Fold, I've been using this for the last couple days, and what can I say about it? Well, let me start off by saying it's a device like no other. The experience of just picking up this device and you have this beautiful outer display and you flip it open and just look at that large, beautiful display. The crease just blends in, becomes unnoticeable. I hardly ever realize it's even there. Browsing away, checking Twitter, seeing what's going on Twitter, and then let's say I need to go in the car or somewhere that having that big display is a little awkward to use. I just flip it to the outer display. It continues from where I was. I get somewhere, I'm sitting down, I'm having dinner, and I just tuck it away in my pocket. Dinner's done, and I get home, and I want to do some reading, browsing online, watch some YouTube, whatever. Sit down, flip it open, open up, see what's going on, and the latest and greatest and what's going on YouTube. I don't have to carry a tablet around. I don't have to carry a phone. I have both in one. Close it up, tuck it away, be on my way. Whether you are a student, a mom, a dad, a business person, no matter what you're doing, I feel like this is the perfect device with one caveat: price. Way too expensive. And maybe another one being you have to be extra careful that you don't get caught out in the rain or too much dust. But other than those two things, which we dealt with for years, having phones that weren't IP rated, and so it's how you treat it. You treat your device with respect so that you don't cause issues, so that it lasts. You put a decent case on it. You tuck it away in your jacket pocket if it's going to rain, things like that. And you just go on about your day. You get there, you flip it open, and you just look at it. And the first time you look at it, it's mesmerizing. It's one of those experiences that I don't know that I've had with technology in a very long time. Even my iPad Pro was kind of one of those, oh, I've used an iPad before. This is just something different. Something that whether you are a tech head like I am, or somebody that just wants a device that truly does those two words that Apple pitched so long ago: think different. Anyways, those are my initial thoughts. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.